Hello everyone, how do I look like? Am I smart now?
What is this?
Okay, thank you. I'm Director Balin Henry, aka I'm here today to give you another tutorial. It's about a song that was sung, singing by... Okay, the song was, it was a Otile Brown song with Jovial. But before I begin, kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, okay, for more updates. And I'm planning to purchase new sound monitor, so if you're willing to help me so that I may get a new one, advanced one, I will humbly appreciate you by doing that. So there we go. There we go. Now let's do something here. Now that song goes this way, huh? Na 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 na. So that's the thing. So I will begin with the kick, but let me start with the rim shot, okay? So I will begin with the rim shot, but I combined it. So you begin with tempo. I set my tempo is at 90 baba part tempo. Na 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 na. But I combined those two. They have this and this and that. Na, 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 na. Then I added the guitar. So that's it. So here we go. It had a very simple bass line. Bass line was so here we go. There are some things that I actually made, so here we go. That is with kick. And that is muted guitar. the beat, okay? So listen to it from the beginning.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying? Kwa nini Mungu unatupatia punishment?
And kindly remember to subscribe.